What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how you can use conditional formatting in Excel to format as icons. So one of the things that's really cool about Microsoft Excel is that you can actually format your cells on a conditional basis. So let's just say you wanted um, everything that's above 10% of the top 10% of the given values to be highlighted. All you have to do is use conditional formatting, and you can actually even replace the visual colors with icons. So to do this, first we want to do is we want to highlight the numbers they want to apply conditional formatting to. Then we're going to go to Insert. Now we're going to go to Home. Then you're going to want to go to the Sales grouping, and under the Sales grouping at the top it's going to be conditional formatting. And this is where you can see a variety of rules. Highlight cells greater than, less than, equal between, top bottom rules, top 10 items, top 10%, top bottom 10 items, bottom 10%, and you can even click on icon sets. So this is really cool because you can click a variety of shapes and icons. So you can have arrows, you can have stop signs, you can even have graphs and charts or stars. So just say I wanted to have the circles. As you can see, based on the size of the number, you can have different circles as your icon. And there's a lot of flexibility as to what you can have this looking like. So conditional formatting, icon sets, scroll down to more rules, and here you can select a wide variety of different options. So you can say format, you can do format cells based on their values, format only the top or bottom ranks of values, format only values that are above or below average. And you could duplicate, or you could even use a formula to format something in Excel. So format something based on their icons. You can select a icon set. Then you can select the icons that you want. Let's just say we wanted to have the icons be let's just go with the stop signs. You can go through and select what percentages you want represented as the icons. Let's just say we want green is greater than 90, the top 90%. And then we want yellow when it's between 90 and 25%. And we want red when it's below the 25, that's below 25% values. And we can even select the icons that we want. So we can even just say we want the arrows instead or something. Or we just want the no star. There's a variety of icons that we can select to represent what we want. So we can just have the X instead, and then a green check with a yellow circle in the middle, in which allows us to have a custom icon style. And then we can just click OK. And as you can see, there are icons for the top 10% values showing with the green check, bottom 10%, bottom 20% with the red X, and then the middle showing the yellow. And then you're going to change the width a little bit so the icons show nicely. As you can see, this looks much better. Now, it can look a little bit weird to have the icon as well as the number, so you can actually make it to where only the icon is showing. And to do that, you can highlight these values, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Icon Sets, More Rules, and then you can just click right here and show icon only. And we have to go back and re-select the green check and then the red X. And now only the icons are showing, which can be a useful visual if you just kind of want to show something in a visual way without actually showing the actual numbers. So now as you can see, we can quickly see where there are red X's and where there are green checks for the different locations and the months, which can add a visual appeal to work that you're working on, as well as help you communicate stuff better. So with that said, I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much. Have a great day.